Starting up here, you kind of use the arch of her eyebrow as your guide where you can start. And then you're just going to kind of curve it in a little bit, bring it around all the way over to the tip of her ear on that side. And that's how we're going to start this. And what I'm using as products are, of course, on the scalp to keep it from being itchy or dandruffy or any of that. We always want to use our Kissy Girl hair and body oil. And for the gel, we are going to be using the Main Choice Ancient Egypt. So whatever gel of your choice you like, and of course I'm always going to recommend Kissy Girl hair and body oil. I want to show y'all this little tip I use when I'm parting hair out to determine whether or not my section is the size that I want it to be for her cornrow. After I make the part on each side, I'll take her hair and just gather it up like this to see how thick the cornrow is going to be. So if it's not, you know, the size that I want it to be, I'll thin it out, you know, take my part and separate some hair out to make it smaller. But if this was the size I wanted, I will go ahead and cornrow. But I think I'm going to make this just a little bit smaller. But I wanted to show you guys that tip of how I size out my braids before I start. Alright, so braid number 1 is completed. Tip back a little bit, yep. It's coming down to the side. So I'm going to continue in this pattern to do the back, to finish the back first, and then we'll come around and play with this side. We're halfway open. I don't trust that. Why are you acting creepy? So this is what we have so far with my version of lemonade braids for now. So we're going to keep going, work our little design all the way around, see what we come up with. Okay, so I started making a part here to slant it over and just brought it across the front. And I also made a part, another slanted part here that I carried. Let's do this, yeah. That I carried over and around to her ear there. So what we're going to do now is work with this first section, and we're just going to part out and braid to the side. We're going to keep it going until we've completed this whole first section, and then we'll start on the last section in the rear. So here we go. Alright, so typically lemonade braids come down over the face, so I already know that she does not want her braids coming over her face. So the first 3 look down. The first 3 I did going across, and so these I'm going to kind of do coming up towards this way so that they kind of fall like this. Because what I'm going to end up doing, which I know, is taking all of her braids together once they're already done and probably cornrolling them to the side. But for now, so that these will hang like I want them to when her hair is down, I'm going to start braiding these going to the front. So we have 3 that have gone from the side over here to the side, and so the rest of her hair, look down, the rest of this front section, you know, our part is right here, is going to be braided going towards the front. So let's get started. Okay, so I want to show you guys how the first one came out. So I made my part, and I kind of stopped the part here so that this could hang going forward. So the rest of them I'm going to part the same way, bringing them up to about here, and then as you can see they'll all start dropping forward like that. So that's how I'm doing it. So you see these are braided to the scalp all the way to the side, and these I'm stopping the part early and not taking it all the way down to the side. So this is what we have so far with the first half completed. You can see how those hang over the top there. So we have this one little section to go right here, and we'll be done. Head up. So let's get it done. Alright, so I made another parting out for our last section, and this is how it's gonna go. So I started like right here with the part, and then I'm just gonna work my way up until I'm done. So instead of coming here to start my part, instead of coming here, I'm just starting it like right maybe at her ear, and then going around. Then we're gonna work our way up with that same pattern. Alright, so final touches, gonna treat her scalp with some Kissy Girl oil to prevent itchy scalp, to prevent dandruff, to promote growth, to keep it nice and shiny, and to seal the moisture in. So that's why we use the Kissy Girl hair and body oil. You can get that at kissygirl.com. So I'm gonna put that all over her scalp. And then I'm going to show you guys the finished product. Alright, so here's the final look of Lemonade Braids. This is my version of them. I think it came out pretty good for my first try. I'm pretty happy with them. So here we go. You can see that Kissy Girl hair and body oil in there. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. Our lemonade braid.